Hello everyone. So welcome to our second video. In this video we are going to learn about how we can customize the UI. हम हमारी UI को कैसे change कर सकते हैं. There are many tools here, but if you want to adjust them by yourself, you can do it. So we'll start from the main screen, that is the fourth screen in the center. This is our front, top, left, and perspective as described previously in the earlier videos. Let's say if you are in the perspective view and you want it to be the full screen, so as said earlier, you can press alt plus W, so you can go onto the full screen. If you again hold alt plus W, it will come back to the main screen. We are having a crosshair at the junction. You can situate it here and there so that you can also get the uh, space that you that was in the default setting. So let's say you are in the front view, and because of some problem or just mistakenly you get into uh, another view. Let's say you click alt and the middle button to rotate it. For rotation we are having alt and the middle button. Let's say if you click the alt and middle button and you get into the another view. Now this is totally different from the front view. You are now in the orthographic view. If you want to go again in the front view, then you can press simply F. It will take you to the front view. It is as simple as that. Let's say you are in top view and suddenly you went into some other view. You want to return back to the top view, just press T. Okay, top T, F front. And similarly for left, if you, let's say, move on to the some another view and you want to go to another again come to the left, just click L. Okay, so this is the main thing. Now regarding the customization of UI, I want to familiar yourself with this customization toolbar. If you click this customization toolbar, you are having a lot of options here. Okay, if you go to the preferences, this is the main option for your UI. They are having a lot of functions here regarding the uh, tooltip and all that. You can see enable viewport tooltip. You don't need to change all this thing, but there's a main thing that you need to change. Go onto the file tabs. Okay, and there you are having an option convert local file paths to relative. Local कोई भी हमारे पास फाइल जो पड़ी रहती है, that we are going to use it in our E tab. Okay, sorry, we are going to use it in our 3ds Max. So if you are say taking a texture or a file that is going to be in the your 3D model, then if you export it, the file will go without the textures or without the other models, because all the models work on your hard disk at some other local paths. तो एक ही जगह पे रखने के लिए, to keep all those things at a one place, you need to check it, that is convert local paths to the relative. Okay, and just there are other options, rendering and all. You need not to change it, just press OK by changing that one simple option. Another option that we are having in customize menu is you can go to this custom UI and default switcher. If you click it, we are having different UI schemes here. Like we are having a default UI. If you click light, we can have a light UI. If you can click dark, we can have, I'm having a dark right now. So there are many other things that you can do it, which you can play with it. Just remember, if you change the UI, you must have to restart 3ds Max. Okay, so you, from here you can, I'm sticking with this black one, that is dark one. Okay, I'll just cancel it. So this is all about your custom UI. You can also load custom UI scheme if you have downloaded from others thing and all that. We're having units set up here. Okay, we can set up the units what we are going to use. Like if you are going to use metric, you can go with meters, kilometers, centimeter, and all that. This is going to be very useful when you are going to switch from one software to another. If you are having a 3ds Max, if you are modeling something in 3ds Max and you want it to export it to the Unity or somewhere else into the Blender or another Maya. Okay, so for that case, these units are going to be very useful. We are using US standards. Okay, we'll learn it more about the unit setup in upcoming videos. Okay, now talking about our this command panel, we can also switch it here and there. If you just click it and drag it to the left hand side and just drop it, it will stick there. So you'll have an another UI. Okay, so this is a kind of a customization. Same goes with the toolbar. The toolbar is having a dotted line here on the left. You can click it and you can drag it anywhere if you want to. Okay, so this is a kind of a thing which vary from person to person. आपको जैसा सही लगे आप उस चीज को वहां रख के वैसे ही तरीके से काम कर सकते हो. काम वो वैसे ही करने वाली है. ठीक है. So you can just click it and take it to its default place, and command panel can be anywhere. There's no problem in that. Now we are having this, let's say, perspective view. I'll click Alt view to make it big. Now we are having a view cube here. This is called view cube. It will be quite small in the video, but try to familiarize yourself with this thing. It is having top, front, left, and all the rotations here, and it is having direction east, west, north, south. If I click top, I'll go to top. But it is perspective view, and we are now in top. Now, if again I want to go into the perspective, I can go on the circle, and we are having a home button here. If I'll click home, it will take me to the home. Now we define it perspective as a home. हमने इस perspective को as a home define कर रखा है यहाँ पे. Let's say if I press Alt F and I go to front view, let's say, and front view में जाके Alt W, if we click, we go on the full screen. It is the front view. Now let's say I have made some kind of adjustment. I went into the another view. Now I want to come into the front again. So there we are having a shortcut of pressing F. But alternate to that, we are having another thing. We can go to the front view. Okay. Now I'll go to the view and I'll go to view cube. Then I'll click set current view as home. What I'm clicking set current view as I'm setting this front view as a home. So if I click this, and let's say if I went into the another view, and then now if I press this home button, then I'll go into what view? I'll go into that front view because we have set that front view as our home view. So I'll click this, I'll come into the front. Okay, so this is going to work when you are modeling something, some faces of model. If you, let's say if you are making a 3D model and you want to uh, work on a particular face, then you can make it as a home view. Okay, so that is going to be very important for modeling 3D structures. So this was our 3D view, how we can customize our UI. This was our view cube. We have seen that how we can move control panel toolbar here and there. We have seen how we can customize UI with the dark and light UI. So this was all about this video. On the next video, we will see how we can use this navigation toolbar. Okay, so till then, bye bye.